Find the equations of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 perpendicular to the line 2x minus y is equal to 7. Perpendicular to this line, that is the tangent. Solution: given equation x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. For this circle center, otherwise find 2g 2f compared by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to plus 6, c is equal to minus 12. G is equal to minus 4 by 2 is the minus 2, f is equal to 6 by 2 3, c as it is minus 12. So center is equal to minus j minus f, that is plus j, minus j is equal to plus 2, minus f is equal to minus 3. This is the center, and the radius r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. So r is the g square minus 2 whole square, f 3 square minus c plus 12. So r is equal to, this is 4, this is 9, this is 12. So r is totally 25. R is equal to 5 radius, center and radius for this given circle. This is the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 given circle, and one line is given. This is 2x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the given line. We find the tangents perpendicular to this line. So perpendicular to this line and tangent, this is the tangent to the circle, and in this side also other tangent exists. This is tangent 1, this is tangent 2. This also perpendicular. So perpendicular line equation to this line, bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Bx means minus 1x minus ay, 2 into y plus k is equal to 0. So we find the k value, then we substitute the k value, then we get tangents. This is the center, 2 comma minus 3. This is the radius, radius is equal to 5. Now, equation of the tangent to the circle perpendicular to given line 2x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0 is in the form bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. That is minus 1x minus a 2y plus k is equal to 0. This is the required tangent. But we find the k value. K value how much? How we calculate the k value? So this is the tangent. Here radius is equal to perpendicular distance from C to the line. Here we find distance d. D is equal to perpendicular length from the center of the circle to the given line. So D is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by the root of a square plus b square. This is the principle, distance principle. D is equal to, line is this one, modulus A value -1, x1 value center, here x1 y1 center, that is 2 comma -3, x1 is that 2 plus B value -2 into y1 -3 plus C is the k by root of a square is the -1 square plus -2 whole square. So D is equal to -2 plus 6 plus k by, this is totally 5. So D is equal to k minus k plus 4 by root 5. So here tangent condition for the tangency. Condition for tangency, R is equal to D. So R is equal to 5, D is the k plus 4 by root 5 modulus. So k plus 4 by root 5 is equal to plus or minus 5. If we remove the modulus, then equal to plus or minus coming. K plus 4 is equal to root 5 plus or minus. K is equal to -4 plus or minus 5 root 5. This is the K value. When we substitute K value here, so required tangents are -1 into x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0. Here minus x is x minus 2y plus k is the -4 plus or minus 5 root 5 is equal to 0. Here we take minus common, x plus 2y plus 4, this is plus or minus no change, 5 root 5 is equal to 0. Here plus one tangent minus another tangent. This is the answer. So if the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, then prove that 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by r square. Prove this. Here one line is given, one circle is given, both are touching at only one point. Then condition is what? R is equal to D. R is equal to D is the condition. So given circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. For this, center is equal to 0 comma 0, radius r, and given line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. If this line, is a tangent to this circle, tangent means touches, implies R is equal to D condition is the condition. So R we know, R is R. So R is equal to D. D formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. If the center is 0 0, that ax1 by1 no need, direct c by root of a square plus b square. So here center 0 0, that's why R is equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c is as it is 1 by a into 0, 1 by b into 0, plus c is the minus 1. Division of under root a square plus b square. A square is the 1 by whole square plus 1 by b whole square. At the modulus, distance in positive, that's why it is taking positive. R is equal to minus 1, this cancel, 1 by under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So we reciprocating. 1 by R is equal to root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, squaring on both sides. So here 1 by r square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Hence proved. That's all. If x plus y plus k is equal to 0 touches the circle, x square plus y square plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4y. Then find the value of k. Here also touches means tangent. For the circle, solution, given equation x square plus y square, this is written as left side minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. So here 2g is equal to minus 2, 2f is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3, g is equal to minus 1, f is equal to minus 2, c as it is 3. So minus j minus f is the center, that is 1, 2, it is the center. And the radius is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. R is equal to g square is the minus 1 square plus minus 2 square minus c is the 3. R is equal to 1 plus 4 minus 3. 5 minus 3 2. R is equal to root of 2. Given line x plus y plus k is equal to 0 is a tangent. It means touches. So the diagram is like this. Center C 1 comma 2. This is the tangent. That equation x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Here R is equal to D. If it is a tangent, then R is equal to D is the condition. X plus y plus k is equal to 0 is a tangent to circle. Therefore, R is equal to D. So R is equal to root 2 value, D is the ax1 plus by1 plus cy under root of a square plus b square. So root 2 is equal to a is the 1, x1 is the 1 plus b 1, y1 2, c k by under root of 1 square plus 1 square. Root of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 3 plus k by 1 square 2 root 2 modulus. After this, three plus k by root 2 is equal to plus or minus root 2. If we remove the modulus, then plus or minus coming. 3 plus k is equal to plus or minus root 2 into root of 2. K is equal to plus 2 minus 3. So k value minus 1. And 3 plus k is equal to minus 2. Another k value minus 2 minus 3. K is equal to minus 5. Two values. K is equal to -5 and -1 value. He asking values of k only. These are the k values. Problem. Find the area of the triangle formed by the tangent at the point A comma B to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square and the coordinate axis. This is new topic, some critical solution. Area of the triangle formed by the tangent of the point at AB to the circle and the coordinate axis. Y-axis. This is the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the tangent line at P of A comma B point. This is the RC. The circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square given. The circle, this tangent drawn at P, it cuts at x axis A point, it cuts at B point on y axis. In the question, what asking? The area of the triangle formed by the tangent with the coordinate axis. This is the area he asking. So here for the area of the triangle, this x intercept to y intercept need base height. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. So we find the base. Base means here x intercept. Here height means y intercept. First we find the tangent equation. Given circle S is the x square plus y square is equal to r square means minus r square. This is the circle equation. Point is the A comma B. This is the x1 y1 point. So tangent at P point P A comma B is S1 is equal to 0. So S1 is the x1 plus y1 minus r square is equal to 0. X into x1 y1 what? A comma B. A plus y into B minus r square is equal to 0. So it is ax plus by minus r square is equal to 0. For x intercept put y is equal to 0. For x intercept y is equal to 0, then ax is equal to r square, x is equal to r square by a. This is the x intercept. For y intercept, x is equal to 0, then by is equal to r square coming, y is equal to r square by b. So this x intercept, this length is the r square by a. This height is the r square by b. So area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Area of the triangle half AOB equal to half into base into height. So here half into base is the r square by a, height is the r square by b. So half r square r4 by ab. Find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is equal to this one. A is equal to r square by half into r4 by half into AB. This is the answer.